Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome again. Hi everyone. Today in this video, I am going to discuss the practical problem of fundamentals of partnership. As we had discussed earlier, the theoretical concept of partnership. Now here we will understand the practical problem related to the profit and loss appropriation account, because preparation of profit and loss appropriation account, this is the first topic of this chapter from practical point of view. Okay, let's see here. First of all, we will read the question and write down what are the things is to be mentioned in the question, then we will try to solve it. Okay, see here. Here the question is A and B are partners. A's capital is rupees 1 lakh and B's capital is rupees 60,000. So we will make here just like a working note. First of all, capital is given, capital of A and capital of B. Capital of A is rupees 1 lakh and capital of B is rupees 60,000. Here interest on capital is payable at the rate of 6% per annum. Interest on capital, the firm will provide interest on capital how? At the rate of 6% per annum. And another thing, B is entitled to a salary of rupees 3,000 per month. Here is a partner B. B will get a salary of how much? 3,000 per month. And profit for the current year before interest and salary to B is rupees 80,000. Here net profit is also given. Net profit is how much? 80,000 rupees. Now the question is asking about the preparation of profit and loss appropriation account. So we will prepare the ledger of profit and loss appropriation account. Profit here will be the debit side and here will be the credit side. This will be for particulars and here debit amount, here and here it will be debit amount. Now as we had already discussed that what we will do in the profit and loss appropriation account, first of all we will have to transfer the net profit or net loss. So here net profit is given how much? 80,000. Be the journal entry of transferring the net profit into the profit and loss appropriation account. The journal entry we will pass here profit and loss account debit to profit and loss appropriation account. This entry we will use here for transferring the net profit into the profit and loss appropriation account. Here we are preparing the ledger of profit and loss appropriation account. So this profit will be transferred to the credit side by profit and loss account. We will write here net profit is transferred. How much amount? 80,000. Now the question is asking about the interest on capital. It means the firm will provide at the rate of 6% per annum interest on capital. Here we will calculate the interest on capital. What will be the interest on capital of A? How much capital contributed by A? A is contributing rupees 1 lakh of 6%. It means 6,000 will be the A's interest on capital, and how much B? B is contributing 60,000 into 6%. It means B's interest on capital will be how much? 3,600. So we will write here 2 interest on capital. How much? A's capital account, how much interest will be here, and B's capital account, how much interest will be transferred. A's capital account 6,000 and B's capital account 3,600. So the total interest on capital will be provided to the partner is 9,600. And here The another thing is that B's salary of rupees 3000 per month. If any partner is getting monthly salary of 3000 like this, then first of all we will have to convert this one into the year. So how much will be the B's salaries? We will provide salary to B. So we will write here B's salary account. How much? 12 into 3, 36,000. 36,000 will be the B's salary. Nothing is mentioned in the question. So now we will distribute these profits among the partners. Here we will write here as it is total amount 80,000. Now we will try to balance this one. What will be the exact profit or distributed profit? Distributed profit will be here 80,000 minus 36,000 minus 9,600. So the profit will be here. Here the remaining distributed profit will be 34,400. We will distribute here to profit and loss appropriation account. How much is capital account and B is capital account. Here in question the profit sharing ratio is not given, and if profit sharing ratio is not given, in this situation we will distribute the profit in equal ratio. Here what is the profit amount? 34,400. It means 17,200 and 17,200 will get the profit of each partners. So this is the